Epicentre is the epidemiological branch of Médecins Sans Frontières, Doctors Without Borders, or MSF.
Our aim is to study innovative and adapted solutions to provide better care in the settings where MSF works. Our staff is based in Paris, in MSF headquarters, with offices in Europe and in the USA. We also have permanent offices in Niger and, of course, in Uganda.
We have been present in Uganda since the late 80s, and we established our center in Mbarara in the late 90s, located on the compound of the Mbarara University of Science and Technology.
Today, almost 100 people work here, mostly comprised of medical and laboratory staff.
Our staff conducts the research studies there with support from other departments such as data management, IT, logistics, and administration.
Over our history, we have conducted many important studies on infectious diseases such as sleeping sickness, tuberculosis, malaria, or cholera.
The results of some of these studies have contributed to improving the treatment of malaria in children and in pregnant women.
We also have performed studies in displaced and refugee populations to measure primary health indicators and assess public health measures such as the oral cholera vaccine.
We also contributed to the response to Ebola in Uganda when there were some outbreaks. Our aim today is to expand the scope of our research portfolio by focusing on pediatrics, hepatitis C, and vaccine-preventable diseases.
Our research center in Mbarara is an essential component for our work. There are many reasons for this, but we would like to name 3 important ones.
First, as we are permanently established in Uganda, this helps us ensure our work is relevant to the population.
Our studies rely on local, national, and international partnerships and respond to medical problems presenting a challenge for the healthcare system to respond to.
A second reason is that we need to reach and maintain a high standard to conduct high-quality research studies.
The more experience and knowledge our staff acquire, the better our work and recognition by international partners.
This led us to be associated to major multicentric studies on the treatment of malaria, HIV infection, or tuberculosis.
Now we want to be even more attractive for international research teams.
Then we'd like to mention that we aim to actively incorporate Ugandan researchers.
We know that our partnership with Mbarara University of Science and Technology is an asset, and we want the Mbarara Research Center to be known and recognized by young scientists as a valuable place for them to further their careers.
And finally, my colleagues in Mbarara represent the future of the country, of research, and of Epicentre. Without them, these achievements would not have been possible, and they will ensure our success in the future.